Potentially overtake us here. This is getting a little scary.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Okay, y'all need to hurry up here. Like, seriously, we're encased in flames now.
You guys gotta go backwards. Go.
Hello, Jody, can you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you there. I'm telling them you were notching up.
Yeah, this has got to move fucking quick here.
Yeah, it went across. Holy
Yeah.
shit.
Oh yeah, look over there.
We are surrounded.
You guys got a light now or what? Did you guys get that light? Oh yeah, they're clipping. Whew! That's a meat and a half, eh?